Could mean that they maybe recently hit their head and now something's wrong. Could mean they're on PCP or DXM, ketamine, something from the dissociative anesthetics group. That's a medical rule out. We're also going to look for equal pupil size. If they have one big pupil and one small pupil, that's a really, really bad thing. Call an ambulance right away. Especially if they were recently got into a fight or something. Call somebody. Don't let it wait. So you're going to check for that. And then we're going to check for the eye's ability to track it equally. This is quick. This is really quick. So when we talk about moving, if we're checking for the horizontal gaze nystagmus, or actually right now we're checking for equal tracking, we're going to always go to the person's left. Always go to the person's left. Not your left, the person's left. So this was going to be quick, so we're going to go out, back, and center within 2 seconds. Because all we're checking to make sure the eyes track equally. It's going to look something like this. That's a medical rule out. We're just making sure that both eyes back, just like that. So, after we've done our 3 medical rule outs, we make sure that they don't have resting nystagmus, we make sure that they don't have unequal pupil size, and that their eyes are tracking properly. Now we're going to move into the test. In the test, we have 3 different clues. We have 3 different clues, and each clue is only for one side. So 3 clues times 2 eyes, 6 clues. 6 clues. You have a lack of smooth pursuit for your left and your right eye. You have distinct and sustained nystagmus at maximum deviation, and the onset of nystagmus prior to 45 degrees. So, let's start with the first one, the lack of smooth pursuit. And all this is us checking to see if the eye, as we're moving it slowly, 2-second passes, is able to move smoothly. And when we talk about smoothly, you think about it like a windshield wiper on a windshield when it's dry. So if the windshield was wet, the windshield wiper moves nice and smooth back and forth. No resistance. Hopefully when we break out and we do this first one together, you'll all see a bunch of very smooth windshield wipers. If you turn that same windshield wiper on and it's on a dry surface, it's going to bounce. It's going to be really jerky. That's what you're looking for. Is that jerkiness if there's something wrong. You can use a windshield wiper acronym, or you can say like a marble rolling across a nice smooth surface, or a marble rolling across like a piece of sandpaper when it's bouncing along. How to do this test? Starting from the middle, going out is 2 seconds. Going back to the middle is 2 seconds. Going back out in 2 seconds. Back to the middle 2 seconds. It's going to look something like this. 1001, 1002, 1001, 1002, 1001, 1002, 1001, 1002. That's one pass, both eyes. When I go to her left, I'm looking at her left eye. When I go to her right, I'm looking at her right eye. I'm not looking at them together. I've already checked to make sure that they're tracking equally. I'm looking for the clues in each eye as I go by. We're going to do this 2 times. You go with the eyes, 1 pass, and then you're going to recheck for what you saw. Another pass. It's going to look something like this. Keep your head still. We have a brother. That's a lack of smooth pursuit.